The province has been answered. The National Defence Force has deployed medical personnel to assist in the province as the number of those contracting the virus continues to increase. Now, a plane carrying military healthcare workers arrives in Port Elizabeth today. The healthcare system in the province is overwhelmed, we're told, and the call was made by the Premier Oscar Mabuyane earlier this week. Let me bring in SABC News reporter Anda Ngonji in Port Elizabeth. Anda, a very good morning to you. A sigh of relief for the people of the Eastern Cape, would you say?
Well, a very good morning to you indeed. We are right here at the Air Force Station, right where the 52 doctors are expected, doctors, nurses and other medical practitioners are expected to land to come and provide relief to the healthcare system in the Eastern Cape. Like you have mentioned, it has been stated and reported quite a number of times that the healthcare system is pretty overwhelmed, with the Premier, of course, asking for an injection and an intervention from the national government. And today they finally and officially heed that call by sending quite a number of people, because 52 is a huge number. Of course, you remember that the Eastern Cape has growing numbers. They're growing drastically with quite a number of over 30,000 cases right now and an accelerating number of deaths as well. Looking at nearly 400 people who have actually died in the Eastern Cape due to this virus. But today we experienced those people land here to assist. This, of course, also comes shortly after the Treasurer has also injected an amount of 8 billion to the Eastern Cape, and also comes shortly after the hospital, multi-million rands field hospital, was opened or has officially opened in the Eastern Cape. So today we'll look at welcoming those people, and it has been said that they will particularly be based at Dorangi. That is one of the hospitals that have experienced tremendous overwhelming and pressure from COVID-19 patients. And some of you will remember that was actually the first hospital that was identified as a quarantine zone for those who suffer from COVID-19. And today they will see those people going there, and obviously they'll also be hopping across various hospitals in the Eastern Cape as the pressure continues to grow. Well, it has been admitted that the Eastern Cape has suffered greatly in terms of finances, and in terms of finances, especially when you look at COVID-19 and the intervention plans. So the Eastern Cape wishes, and the MEC has declared that they will hope that this will be a step towards a brighter future.
All right, so I'm just looking at the latest numbers coming from the Eastern Cape with regards to the fatalities. 490 people have lost their lives. Recoveries are sitting at around 18,980. Talk to us about some of the challenges, Anda, with regards to PPEs. Is that an issue in the Eastern Cape? Are medical personnel, are frontline workers sufficiently supplied with PPEs?
I think so, guys. You won't believe what happened.
Oh, it seems that we lost Anna. She's battling the elements there as well. So we'll try to catch up with her in a short while, talking to us about the National Defence Force deploying medical personnel to assist